In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize invoice templates in Zoho Books. If you're managing your finances or running a business, having well-organized invoice templates is crucial for keeping track of your transactions and providing your clients with clear, professional-looking invoices. Let's dive into the process. First, we need to head over to the Zoho Books website. It's the starting point for all things related to managing your business's finances. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a button that says Sign In. Give that a click. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. Make sure you have your login details handy. If you're not signed up yet, you'll need to create an account to proceed with the customizations. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books home. Here, you'll get a glimpse of the dashboard displaying essential financial information. In this hub of activities, look for the Settings option. It's usually located at the bottom left of the navigation panel. When you click on it, a list of various settings options will appear on your screen. For the purpose of customizing invoices, we'll need to tap into the customization section. Inside the customization settings, you'll find various aspects of your Zoho Books account that you can personalize. Our focus today is on the PDF templates option. Clicking here allows us to see the numerous templates available for invoices. These templates provide a multitude of design options, so you can select one that suits your business's identity and branding. Once the PDF templates section opens, you'll see an array of settings on the left. Look for the Invoices section and click on it. This section is dedicated specifically to customizing templates related to invoices, giving you the chance to choose a base design from existing templates, or create a completely new one if you prefer. At this point, you can start tailoring the template to fit your needs. Zoho Books enables you to adjust the layout, add your company's logo, and modify the color scheme so that your invoices are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. You can also alter the fields that appear on the invoice, ensuring all necessary details are captured clearly. Take your time here, exploring the different elements you can adjust to ensure your invoice template truly represents your brand. Once you're satisfied with the changes, make sure to save your template. This new customized template will now appear in your list of options every time you generate an invoice, streamlining your invoicing process and maintaining consistency in your financial documents. And there you have it, you've successfully created and customized an invoice template in Zoho Books. This straightforward process not only enhances your efficiency, but also elevates your professionalism in the eyes of your clients. Thanks for joining me today, and happy invoicing.